guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a different video. Yes, I am going to show you how I make ghee in my home. Yes, it is super good, super satisfying to make ghee in your house, and I prefer to make ghee from your house because we can do that in a house. And why should we buy stuff which is just named as ghee in the bottle? So if you like this video, make sure to leave not leave okay, leave a comment down below and press the like button as well, and subscribe to my channel. And I've made a little fault. I forgot to film how to collect the grain, so I'll do that in a separate video. So if you like, then subscribe. Watch the video. This is the cream which I have collected, and I have refrigerated it, and now I have poured in a vessel which is suitable for me, and I have taken a beater which is big. If you are using a smaller one, it takes so much time. I'm using the bigger one, and I do like this. I just rotate so that I have taken a round vessel which is comfortable for me to this. And if you are doing this, you can see a difference in the texture of that. Now it has turned watery. It was thick when it was in the refrigerator. Now it turned a little watery, and after some times you can see there is a texture change. It has become somewhat thick, so you have to do that again and again, and now it has turned so much thick, like you can see. After some times of doing it, you can see like very thick and very thick. This part of this video is so much satisfying. You can see that it is getting thicker and thicker, and you can see now a little water coming out of this, and that is so nice to see. It is pretty hard because all these things are getting out of the vessel, but it will all get okay within minutes. I'm trying to get everything with that blender, with that beater itself. It is kind of a dough. Look at that, like a chapati dough. Just turn that consistency. Look, it had like turned super nice, and that water is started to come out of that. Yes, it started to come, and I'm just doing that until all the water is going to come. Like, look at that, like at that corner, you can see it splashed outside. I am like a messy person. I don't do everything perfectly. It's okay. Everyone is not perfect. I'm taking this kind of vessel to prepare the ghee. I just took all the solid part which came in the end of that process and added that in this vessel. So it starts melting. I just directly added. I kept that. And this is the container which I store are these grain. Once it's full, I do that again. I just kept this beater inside this so that I am not going to waste any of these things. I have some drumstick leaves and also curry leaves which is washed and kept ready. This has to be added inside this, and now you can see it starts bubbling up, and all the butter from that melts away. It has turned like watery. After sometimes it totally boils, and look, there is a difference. can see that is yellow, like it's yellow. You can do this in the organic. Should it be said as organic milk? I don't know. I get milk from the local merchant, not merchant, a farmer, a dairy farm right near my house. So yeah, they give a good milk. And look at that, like ghee is started separating. The transparent part is the ghee. After some times it looks totally like this. So this is the correct time to add the leaves which we made ready. And I'm not going to disturb this. After this I'm not going to disturb this anyway, because the solid particles just sticks to the vessel, so we don't want to scrap them out. That will be easy for me to remove ghee from that, or else I have to filter that. And these leaves becomes crispy, and if you are having children who don't eat leafy vegetable leaves, you can give that. It looks like chips and smells nicely. And that's all. The ghee is prepared, and I store this in this container. I do this weekly once and just store inside this. You can see how like yellow color it is. Look at the color. This is because the milk and the cream which I got was super good. You can also do this and get this perfect ghee, and I'll show you the total bottle. You can store that in steel vessels as well. I store in plastic.